Welcome everyone. Join us as we explore the production process of fortified cassava flour and discover its versatile uses in baking. Let's dive in. The first step is the peeling of the cassava. It is peeled to remove cyanide, a toxic substance dangerous for human consumption. After peeling, the cassava goes through 4 stages of washing to remove dirt and the cyanide residue to make it suitable for flour production. The cassava is then grated and pressed to extract the slurry. After the dewatering process, the cassava is milled. The milled cassava is then dried in an oven dryer at an appropriate temperature for approximately 5 hours to remove the remaining moisture in the cassava to get a fine flour. After it is dried to the desired dryness, it is gently removed and poured slowly into our mixing bowl. The final product will then be sent for fortification to happen. Our secret ingredient is added to the flour to elevate the nutritional content. The ingredients will then be measured to ensure that we have adequate nutritional content in our cassava flour, measuring to get the right proportion for the fortification to ensure our cassava flour meets the standard of the Food and Drugs Board Authority. Ensuring quality is paramount. Our fortified cassava flour undergoes rigorous testing. We want every batch to meet the highest standards, ensuring a reliable source of nutrition for all who use it. The cassava and the fortified ingredients are mixed thoroughly to achieve the perfect mixture. The final product is then packaged using a recyclable packaging and sent to bakers for testing. Now, in the hands of a talented baker, the cassava flour is transformed into a dough. Ingredients such as yeast, water, sugar, and others are magically blended together to give it a promising rise. The dough is lovingly shaped and carefully placed into a kneading oven. It is carefully kneaded for about 10 to 20 minutes to ensure the right consistency is achieved. The dough is then lovingly shaped and carefully shaped into our desired shapes, and then placed in our baking sheet for baking the next morning. It is carefully placed into the oven for it to bake for approximately 20 minutes. The finished bread emerges from the oven, golden brown and crackling as it cools on a wire rack. This is also another baker who used our cassava flour and had the same result. The spring oven of our cassava flour was surprising to most of them, but were appreciated and was satisfied with the final product. This is Miss Mary. She is one of the regular customers at the bakers who tried our cassava flour. She was given this bread to try, and her feedback was that she could not even identify that it was cassava flour. She thought it was the same old flour.